Welcome to this comprehensive guide on patches and updates. In this series about computer world terminologies and concepts, we will explore how software stays secure and improves over time through maintenance, bug fixes, and feature enhancements. Understanding patches and updates is essential for anyone working with computers or managing IT systems. Let's dive in and discover what these terms mean and why they matter for your digital security and productivity. There are three main categories of patches. First, we have bug fix patches. These correct errors that cause crashes or unexpected behavior in software. They address issues that users have discovered and reported. Second, security patches are critical because they close vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. These patches prevent attacks and data breaches. Third, feature patches add new functionality and improve capabilities of your software. They introduce new tools and enhancements requested by users. Each type serves a different purpose in keeping your systems running smoothly and securely. The update process follows a structured workflow with four main stages. First is detection, where the system checks for available updates. Your device regularly communicates with vendor servers to see if new patches exist. Second is download, where patch files are transferred to your device. These files are usually small and transfer quickly. Third is installation, where the files are applied to your system. This is when changes actually take effect. Finally comes verification, where the system confirms the update was successful. These four steps happen automatically on most modern devices. Following best practices significantly improves your update experience. Test first. Always apply updates in isolated environments before deploying them to production systems. This prevents widespread problems. Backup data. Always create recovery options before updating. This protects you if something goes wrong. Schedule updates. Plan updates during low usage periods to minimize disruption. Choose times when your systems are less critical to operations. Stay informed. Monitor vendor announcements for critical patches that require immediate attention. By following these practices, you create a safer and more stable computing environment. Automated patch management represents a major evolution in how systems stay current. Instead of manually managing each patch, automated systems can detect, download, and install patches without human intervention. This offers three major benefits. Speed. Automated systems provide continuous scanning and instant deployment whenever patches become available. Security. Since patches are deployed immediately, the window where systems are vulnerable to attacks shrinks dramatically. Efficiency. Automating this process frees your IT teams to focus on more strategic and important tasks. Most modern enterprises now rely on automation to maintain security at scale. Several enterprise solutions excel at patch management. Automox provides cross-platform patching with support for 500-plus third-party applications and uses cloud-native architecture. ManageEngine Patch Manager works across Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, supporting 850-plus applications with full automation. NinjaOne delivers real-time compliance tracking with 98% user satisfaction and enterprise scalability. SolarWinds Patch Manager offers a centralized dashboard for easy monitoring, simple deployment processes, and affordable pricing for organizations of all sizes. Each tool has specific strengths depending on your environment and needs. Organizations typically choose between two fundamental approaches to patching. Proactive patching means establishing regular scheduled updates before problems occur. This prevents known issues from becoming widespread, allows planned downtime windows, and ultimately reduces operational disruptions. Reactive patching only responds when problems arise, treating it as emergency repairs. While reactive patching may seem cost-effective initially, it causes unplanned downtime and creates security risks. Most security experts recommend proactive patching because it prevents vulnerabilities from being exploited and keeps systems stable and predictable. Implementing enterprise patch management requires 6 key steps. First, inventory. Document all systems, applications, and their versions across your organization. Second, prioritize. Classify patches by severity and their business impact. Third, test. Validate patches in a lab environment before deployment to production. Fourth, deploy. Roll out patches in batches across your infrastructure to minimize risk. Fifth, monitor. Track success rates and resolve any issues that arise during deployment. Sixth, report. Document compliance and effectiveness through comprehensive reports. Following this structured approach ensures patches are deployed successfully while minimizing operational disruption. Real-world patching faces several significant obstacles. Time pressure is a major challenge, with an average of 16 days needed to patch critical vulnerabilities. Organizations struggle to deploy quickly enough before exploits appear. Compatibility issues create another problem. Patches sometimes break applications or cause systems to malfunction unexpectedly. Prioritization is difficult because 65% of businesses struggle to determine which patches are most urgent. Resource constraints also hamper progress, as many organizations lack sufficient IT staff and budget for thorough testing. Understanding these challenges helps organizations prepare better strategies and allocate appropriate resources. Let's summarize the essential points about patches and updates. Patches fix bugs and close security gaps, while updates add new features to your software. Proactive patching prevents problems better than waiting to react to issues. Automation reduces risk and frees your IT teams to focus on strategic work. Testing before deployment prevents compatibility disasters that could damage your systems. Finally, establishing a solid patch policy forms the foundation for enterprise security and operational stability. By remembering these key concepts, you can make informed decisions about keeping your systems secure, reliable, and up to date.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.